Good morning, students. In the previous video, I have explained you poem number 9, Time for Everything. Our next lesson is Be a Craftsman. But as you know that government has reduced some of this portion from our syllabus. So this lesson is reduced from our syllabus. That means today we are going to start our new lesson, that is lesson number 11th in the world of dictionaries. We often come across words that are unfamiliar to us. When we read books, newspapers, or magazines, we also hear new words and phrases. When we watch TV programs, how do we find the meanings of these words? In the classroom, the teacher is always available to the students to tell the meaning of new and difficult words, but she cannot accompany every student all the time to explain the meaning of every new word. Besides, grown-up people also need help in this respect. A language has hundreds of thousands of words in it. It is impossible for one person to know all of them, but all these words can be explained in a dictionary. At some time or other, you must have been advised to look up a word in a dictionary by your teachers or parents. Let us now see what the word dictionary means. Given below are some examples of how the word might be explained in different dictionaries. Here are 3 boxes. In each box dictionary, this word is explained in a different way. In this first box, it is given that what kind of word it is. Dictionary is a noun. Then its meaning is given. A book in which words are listed in alphabetical order from A to Z. You look up a word in a dictionary to find out what it means and how to spell it. This is the first way how the word is explained. This is the second way, dictionary, and here you can see slanting lines are there, and between whatever is given, that is pronunciation of this word, how to pronounce this word. Then plural means plural form of this word is given. What is the plural form of dictionary? See here, dictionaries. Then you will see number 1 and number 2. These are 2 meaning of dictionary. Sometimes one word has 2 meanings. It may be same, it may be little different also. So just see here, a book that gives a list of words in alphabetical order and explains their meanings in the same language or another language. Second, a book that explains words used in a subject. Okay, this is the third way, and we'll see here how it is explained. Here spelling is given, then its pronunciation in Marathi or Hindi. It is Marathi only. We will see here. Dictionaries means plural form of this word is given here. Then meaning is given here. What is meant by dictionary? Dictionary means शब्दांचे अर्थ, उच्चार, वापर याबद्दल माहिती देणारे पुस्तक, शब्दकोश, कोश. Okay. Now on the next page we are going to see that dictionary shows us many things. So on the next page we will see that what different things a dictionary shows us. See here, words in a dictionary are usually arranged in alphabetical order. You will find that all the words are arranged in a alphabetical order. Second, a dictionary tells us what a word means. Its meaning is given here. Okay, first of all, if you want to find a word in a dictionary, you have to find out it in an alphabetical order. For example, apple and banana is there. Okay, so first, what word we will get in a dictionary? Of course, apple. Okay, so like this you will get the alphabetical order. Then it also gives us meaning. The third one is dictionary shows us how a word is spelt. That means in the dictionary we will find out the spelling of that word. A dictionary tells us how a word is pronounced. On the previous page we saw that on the second page, second box, the pronunciation is given, and in the third box also the pronunciation is given. Like this you will find out the pronunciation of the word in a dictionary. A dictionary shows us the different forms of the same word. For example, rose, roses, go, going, went, gone, etc. We will find the different forms of the same word. For example, rose is there. Rose is a noun, it's a singular. So you will find its plural form also in the dictionary. And what is that? Roses. Okay. The next one example is of verb. So if you are finding a verb, you will find its ing form and its past form also, as well as it's a perfect form, past perfect form of the verb. The next one, a dictionary tells us with the help of examples how a word is used. Means it will tell us the use of the word also. Okay, sometimes you will find the example also with a sentence or with a small phrase. The next one, a dictionary lists many other words, phrases related to that word. Sometimes you find the related words or phrases in the same dictionary. The next one, a dictionary points out the different meaning of words which have the same spelling. Sometimes you will find the same spelling but meaning is different. For example, book. Book means which has many pages, and another book has a different meaning, that is reserve. Book means reserve also, and it is also made of pages. Okay. Next one is, a dictionary also tells us the grammatical class to which a word belongs. You will learn about these classes of words when you are a little older. Dictionary tells us grammatical class. Grammatical class means whether it is noun, adjective, adverb, verb, this way. Okay. Now look at this word Line. Okay, and how many meanings are there? You can see that 10 meanings are there, but here again V is given. Okay, that means line, this word as a noun has 10 meanings, and as a verb it has more meanings, 4 meanings are there. Okay, again with the phrases you will find here different words. For example, line dancing, okay, linesman, line up, this way. Okay, now see this word light. How many different meanings it has? As a noun it has 4 meanings. As a verb it has different meanings, and also it is giving us as a phrase. Okay, see here, light fingered, light headed, light hearted, lighthouse, light industry, this way. I hope you understand this much lesson. In the next video I will be explaining you different types of dictionaries. If you like the video, please click on like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.